This video discusses the process of setting up Identity Guardian on a shared device using the ZDNA cloud. For shared devices, two configuration profiles can be created, one for enrollment and one for authentication. The enrollment profile is required when facial biometrics is employed to create unique user barcodes for authentication. To create an enrollment profile, in ZDNA console, go to My Apps. In the Zebra Collection tab, scroll down to the Identity Guardian tile and click Setup. Click Configure App from the left and click Yes to configure the app. In Usage Mode, select Enrollment for Application Mode. If SSO is in use rather than facial biometrics, then enrollment is not required. In Enrollment Configuration, select the desired options based on your requirements. In this example, one facial image is required to be captured for enrollment. The terms and conditions are presented for user consent. A passcode is to be set by the user according to specified rules, and a corporate PIN is set for user entry. Since this profile is targeted for enrollment, no other configurations are needed. In the next screen, enter a description for the profile. Click Next, then click Apply Now. Select the target device or devices, then click Apply to apply the profile to the device. The enrollment profile has been applied to this device shown here. For the user to enroll the device, they are prompted to input information according to the settings defined in the enrollment profile. This includes the corporate PIN, their employee ID or email, their role, in this case admin, and the expiration date for their barcode, which could be applicable for temporary users. Then the user is prompted to set their passcode. The user is then prompted to register their facial features, accept the terms and conditions, then capture their face. A unique user barcode, which can be retrieved from the device, is generated based on the facial features captured. This is needed for authentication. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.